Video Making for Beginners and YouTube Secrets for Traffic is a beginner's course for people that have never made a video before. The course is going to show you where you can get images, videos, free editors, free software or some inexpensive software, where you can get sound for your videos, where to get free royalty music, where to get screen capture software that you can use for free, how to do basic video editing. I've also got an exclusive bonus of some video sketch software for taking the course, and also show you where you can get some inexpensive video animations. I also teach you how to optimize your videos so they can get found by the search engines, and where to place your videos so that you can get good exposure. So it's a very comprehensive course for beginners. If you've never made a video before and you want to learn how to do it, this could be the course for you. Check it out on the link below.